All right, now I am ready to add the edging around my lapel and the hem. So I have my cardigan right side out. This is the neck here, and I'm gonna start on the left front panel corner, and I'm gonna go around the bottom and back up inside the lapel all the way around the neck and back down, joining again here, and I'll just keep going around and around until I have 5 rounds or about 2 inches. And I'm going to join here. With a slip knot, chain 1, and single crochet. Now as I go around, when I come to corners like this one, I'm going to place a single crochet, chain 1, single crochet, so the corner stays nice. So I'm going to mark this chain 1 that I made as my first stitch. So when I get back around here to join, in this same corner, I'll just put another single crochet and join it to the chain 1. And then I'll continue with round 2. So you want to be looking at the right side of your panels, and you're just going to go in and single crochet all the way around the bottom hem first, and I will pick up at the opposite corner when I get there. Okay, I've made it up the inside lapel up to my nape of the neck where my panels are joined. Remember, I joined these with the slip stitch on the right side so you can see this seam. So I just wanted to show you as I go around what that looks like. I know sometimes a little difference might make us question, but I don't go into it just before and after. If I felt like the join needed a little more support, I might put like a single crochet 2 together or something there, but for me that works out just fine. And then you just keep going down around the back of the neck, and now you're going to go back down the other front panel and meet your starting stitch there from the bottom. Okay, once you get to the bottom of your inside lapel, back to the starting stitch on your front left panel, you're just going to finish that one up and go into the same stitch, do your single crochet, and then join to your chain 1 that you marked there. And from here, for the cardigan, you're just going to continue around in the same manner for 5 total rounds, just like your sleeves, so that you have a nice hem edge there for that.